Hello everyone, welcome to online class. My dear students, in the previous video, we had just started the question and answer based on this lesson, flying together. So, in this video, what we are going to see is that rest of the question and answer where we had left in the previous video. So, this video is the continuation of the previous video. So, let us start with the next question, my dear students. And that is what we are going to see today in this video is let us talk. Okay, what we are going to see? Let us talk. Okay, when I tell you let us talk, then everybody will be thinking that how can we talk with the sir, because it is just a video and we cannot have conversation with sir. Okay, don't worry, when the classes begins, regular classes are there, then we will be talking so many things. Okay, how we experience this COVID-19 and how we learn at home. All these things we will discuss in the class when we come together again. Okay, so don't worry. So let us see here some of the things that we have to discuss in our textbook. Okay, as question and answer it is given. Number one, work in pair. Okay, work in pair. We have to work two each. Okay, we have to work in two each. Okay, we have to ask each other, we have to listen others like that. Okay, दो होकर हमको यहाँ पे काम करना है. कुछ देखते हैं क्या काम करना है. Ask your friend. Okay, first of all we have to divide it pair. दो होकर हमको divide होना है. उसके बाद क्या करना है? हमारा जो friend होगा, हमारे साथ जो होगा, उसको क्या पूछना है? यहाँ पे देखते हैं. Ask your friend questions about all the things he does. We have to ask our friend the questions. Whatever things he does in his life. Okay, वो घर में को जो भी करता है, वो बोलेगा मैं इतने बजे उठता हूँ, मैं 6 o'clock, I get up at 6 o'clock in the morning. Then we have to ask the question, when do you get up in the morning? And if he says, I take my lunch at 12 o'clock, then we have to ask, when do you take your lunch? Okay, then he will tell that, I watch the TV on Sunday. Then we can ask, on Sunday, what do you do? Like that we can ask this question. So whatever your friends does, you have to ask him, and you have to ask the question on that particular answer your friend will give to you. And when your friend will tell you what he does. Okay? Then use questions words such as where, what, how, who, when, why. Okay? Listen carefully now. I will tell you. Where means where. कहाँ पे हम पूछ सकते हैं where? जब भी वो कोई भी जगह के बारे में बताएगा, है ना? जब भी वो कोई भी प्लेस के बारे में बताएगा, तब हम क्या इस्तेमाल करेंगे? where. और जब भी वो कोई भी चीज के बारे में बताएगा, if he is telling about something, then we have to use what. Then जब वो बोलेगा कि मैंने ऐसे किया, मैंने वैसे किया, तो वो कैसे किया हम पूछेंगे. how मतलब कैसे किया. So he will tell, I went to Delhi. For example, I went to Delhi on Sunday. Then we can ask a question, how did you go to Delhi on Sunday? I went to Delhi by bus. If he says, I went to Delhi by bus, then we can ask, how did you go to Delhi? Okay, this kind of question. Means here we have to ask, how, kaise, if anything. Then who means what? For any person we have to ask. If he will say, my friend, Raju is my friend. Okay, Raju is my friend. If your friend says, then we can ask here, who is your friend? Okay, Raju is my friend. So कोई भी आदमी के लिए हम कौन सा क्वेश्चन इस्तेमाल करेंगे? Who. Okay. Then when, where, what is that? When means time, date, days, and all other things. When we can ask. When is your birthday? My birthday is on 4th November. Okay. So when is your birthday? We can ask the question. And why? Another one. Why means कैसे, क्यों, why. Why did you go to Delhi? Then we can ask, you will tell, I went to where? I went to Ahmednagar, for example. I went to Ahmednagar. If your friend tell, so you can say, why did you go? Why did you go to Ahmednagar? Okay, why you did not come to meet me? I could not come to meet you, or I went to visit my grandmother. Then we can ask here, why did you go to visit your grandmother, and why did not come to meet me? Okay, so why means what is that? Reason. Our answer क्या होगा? Because, and all these things are there. Okay, we'll discuss about all these things in later times. Okay, so one is done for you. एक यहाँ पे दिया गया है हमको और यहाँ पे हमारा फ्रेंड्स का ऑलरेडी आंसर दिया हुआ है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हियर Anu and Amit are example. Okay, this is the example of Anu and Amit. So here I watch TV in the evening. Okay, I watch TV in the evening. Here किसके बारे में बोला गया है? Especially time है ना? समय के बारे में बोला गया है. तो टाइम के लिए हम क्या इस्तेमाल करेंगे? कौन सा? When इस्तेमाल करेंगे. Okay, when इस्तेमाल करेंगे. So when do you watch TV? Then next Anu says I play games. Okay, I play games. तो ये जो गेम जो है क्या है? एक चीज है ना? एक चीज है. ओके, गेम एक प्रकार का खेल है. तो उसको क्या बोलेंगे यहाँ पे? व्हाट डू यू प्ले? व्हाट डू यू प्ले? आप गेम खेलते हैं या फिर वीडियो गेम खेलते हैं या फिर क्या खेलते हैं? व्हाट डू यू प्ले? ओके, आई प्ले गेम्स. ओके, देन आई कलेक्ट स्टाम्प्स. ओके, आई कलेक्ट स्टाम्प्स. वो बोला आई कलेक्ट स्टाम्प. हाँ, यहाँ पे भी ये स्टाम्प मतलब क्या है? एक चीज है. हाँ, तो उसके लिए हम दिस इज स्टाम्प, दिस इज थिंग. सो फॉर ए थिंग व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू यूज व्हाट. व्हाट डू यू कलेक्ट? आई कलेक्ट स्टाम्प. देन नेक्स्ट आई प्ले इन द ग्राउंड. आई प्ले इन द ग्राउंड. ग्राउंड क्या है? एक जगह है, एक प्लेस है. तो प्लेस में हम कौन सा इस्तेमाल करने वाले हैं? वेयर. ओके, सो where do you play? I play in the ground. Then on Sunday I go shopping. On Sunday I go shopping. So ये दो तरीके से हम क्वेश्चन बना सकते हैं. On Sunday I go shopping. Okay. So here one question can be there. When do you go for shopping? When do you go for shopping? Or what do you do on Sunday? What do you do on Sunday? So इस प्रकार का दो क्वेश्चन हम यहाँ पे बना सकते हैं. Okay, so let us see next question we shall see here. Question number 2. Answer these questions about yourself. Answer these questions about yourself. अभी हमारे खुद के बारे में आपको कुछ आंसर्स बोलना है. हमारे खुद के बारे में कुछ आंसर्स बताने हैं यहाँ पे. Okay, I know everybody knows about yourself. आपको पता है, ऐसे भी हमने लिखे हैं. ऐसे हमको पता है कि हमारे बारे में क्या है. हमारे बारे में सब कुछ हम बता सकते हैं. ये सब ना. So let us see here we have to answer about ourselves. Some questions are asked to us. Okay, कुछ सवाल पूछे गए हैं हमको, मतलब खुद को पूछे गए, तो उसका आंसर हमको लिखना है. मैं यहाँ पे सिर्फ आपको बताया हूँ कि कैसे आंसर लिखना है. Okay, so let us see. What is your name? What is your name? You have to write. My name is. What is your name? You have to write here. Okay, my name is Sumit. The next. What languages do you speak? What languages do you speak? कौन कौन सा भाषा आप बात कर सकते हैं? For example, I speak English, Hindi, Oriyan, Marathi. All these things you can write. Whatever language you speak. Okay. Then number 3. How old are you? How old are you? You have to write this one like this. I am 26 years old. Or you can write here. I am 10 years old. Okay, what is your age? You have to write here. Okay, but this sentence you have to follow. Which is your favorite food? Which is your favorite food? What do you like to eat the mostly? My favorite food is. You can write. My favorite food is. What is your favorite food? You can vada pav or whatever maybe is your favorite food. You have to write here. Then question number 5. Where did you go yesterday? Yesterday, where did you go? Where you had gone yesterday? You can write like this. Okay. Yesterday, I went to Rahuri. I went to Guha. I went to market. You can write where you went yesterday. मतलब उसके आगे दिन कहाँ गए थे आप? तो आपको लिखना है. Then next question. Which country do you belong to? Which country do you belong to? कौन सी country से है आप? I belong to which country? India. Yes or no? Or do you belong to any other country? Pakistan, China? Anybody? No. Everybody belongs to India here. Okay. The next question. When do you go to sleep? When do you go to sleep? At what time do you go to bed? कब आप सोते हैं? I go to sleep at 9:30 p.m. 8 o'clock p.m. Okay, whatever maybe you can write. Okay, 8:30 p.m., 9:30 p.m., 10:30 p.m. or 10 p.m. You can write here. Okay. Why do you drink milk? And why do you drink milk? I know everybody drink milk. Yes or no? Do you drink? I know everyone is drinking milk. So why do we drink milk? क्यों हम milk पीते हैं? देखो, I drink milk to get strong. मुझे strong बनना है. इसलिए मैं क्या करता हूँ? हर रोज milk पीता हूँ. Okay, we want to become strong. Or why do you drink milk? You have to write. Okay. Then let us see next question here. Number 3. Okay. In group of 5, discuss what you would do if you were caught in the following situation. हमको यहाँ पे ग्रुप में डिस्कस करना है कि अगर हम इस प्रकार के परिस्थिति में फंस जाएंगे, इस प्रकार के मुसीबत में फंस जाएंगे, तो हम क्या करेंगे? ओके, क्या कर सकते हैं, वो हमको डिस्कस करना है. ओके, यहाँ पे कुछ चीजें यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है आपके लिए, पर हम इसके अलावा और कुछ भी कर सकते हैं, वो आपको एक्स्ट्रा भी लिखना है. You can write what you feel that you can do at that time. Okay, so let us see. Number 1, your friend falls in the play field and is hurt. Now your friend here, a teacher is given. Your friend while they were playing, while you are playing, okay, जब आप खेल रहे होते हैं तो आपका फ्रेंड गिर जाता है जमीन पर और उसको क्या चोट लग जाते हैं. तो आप क्या करोगे आपका फ्रेंड को देखकर? What will you do there? I think most of you will lift him up. Yes or no? Lift him up and you will take him to the hospital or you will give him first aid treatment. All these things you will give him. Then after that, if he अगर जख्म बहुत बड़ा है तो आपको हॉस्पिटल लेना पड़ेगा, वो अलग सा है. पर तुरंत आप क्या करोगे? उसको उठाओगे और उसको थोड़ा सा पोछोगे और उसको थोड़ा सा फास्ट एड के लिए जाना है, उसको डेटोल वगैरह लगाना है. हाँ, ओके. सो लेट अस सी what is the answer here. You can see the answer here. I have written some of the points. I will lift him and give him first aid. Okay, I will lift him and give him first aid. Okay, aid means what is that? Help. Okay, first help. पहला help मैं करूँगा, उसको उठाऊंगा वहां से और उसको किधर ले जाऊंगा? कहीं अच्छी जगह में बिठाऊंगा और उसका जख्म में थोड़ा सा डेटोल या फिर इसे वॉश करके लूंगा. Okay, that is what first aid you are going to give. Then you are trapped in a fire. Now you are trapped in a fire. You are there in the house. All of a sudden the fire is there, and what you will do? In the middle of the fire you are there. If you are not able to come out of the fire, you will be dying there. Okay. So what will you do in that situation? What will you do? I will call for help. You have to call for help. You have to shout. Whoever is there nearby. So by hearing your voice, they will come and they will rescue you. They will come and save you. Otherwise, if you are simply just crying and making so much of a disturbance there, nothing is going to happen. You have to call for help somebody if they are there. Then you are stuck in a traffic jam. Now you are stuck in a traffic jam. आप एक traffic jam में फंस गए हैं, तो आप क्या करोगे? What will you do? Will you wait for the traffic jam or will you just violate the rule? What will you do? I will wait patiently for the jam to be clear. वहां पे वेटिंग करना है. जब ट्रैफिक जाम में फंस गए होंगे तो आपको वेटिंग करना है जब तक ट्रैफिक क्लियर नहीं हो जाता है. Otherwise, what will happen if you break the law of the traffic? Then police will take us to that jail, and so many things will be there. Okay, so that is what. The next, let us see here. Let us write here. Okay, let us write. The words in the clouds describe something or someone in the story. Name them in the blanks provided. अभी यहाँ पे जो भी वर्ड्स दिया गया है, यहाँ पे जो वर्ड्स है, ये सारे के सारे डिस्क्राइब करता है. क्या कहते हैं? डिस्क्राइब समथिंग. डिस्क्राइब समथिंग. डू यू रिमेम्बर डिस्क्राइब मींस व्हाट इज दैट? पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच में कौन सा वर्ड होगा? एडजेक्टिव, है ना? एडजेक्टिव डिस्क्राइब करता है ना, कोई भी चीज के बारे में ज्यादा बोलता है. तो एडजेक्टिव ही, ये सारे के सारे एक एडजेक्टिव दिया गया है. तो वही एडजेक्टिव कौन सी वर्ड के लिए हम इस्तेमाल करेंगे? कौन सी वर्ड के लिए इस्तेमाल किया गया है हमारा स्टोरी में, वो हमको यहाँ पे लिखना है. ओके, सो नाउ मेक सेंटेंसेस ऑफ योर ओन विद द वर्ड्स गिवन इन द क्लाउड्स. देन आफ्टर दैट, पहले हमको फाइंड आउट करना है कौन सी वर्ड के लिए इस्तेमाल किया गया है. उसके बाद उसी को लेकर हमको क्या करना है? सेंटेंस बनाने हैं. ओके, so let us see here. Wise bird, careless geese. Okay, then thick and strong creeper. And then foolish hunter. Who was foolish? Hunter was foolish at the end because he took all the geese down and all the geese उड़कर चले गए थे और उसको उल्लू बनाकर चले गए. Okay, then tall tree. Okay, so now what you'll do is that these are some of the words, yes or no, wise, careless, and thick and strong, foolish and tall. You have to make sentences using these words, okay, in your notebook. Is it okay? You can make the sentences, okay? You will make the sentences. Okay, if you are not able to make the sentence, just find out the sentence in your textbook, okay, in which these words are used. Okay, so that is what I give you the clue. The next question we are going to see, number 2. Here are some answers about the given picture. Okay, what is the picture of it? किसका पिक्चर है ये? एक आंट का पिक्चर है ना? तो ये आंट के बारे में यहाँ पे कुछ बोले गए हैं. यहाँ पे आंट के बारे में कुछ बोला गया है. तो उसी के ऊपर हमको क्या बनाना है? क्वेश्चन बनाने हैं. क्वेश्चन तैयार करना है. ये आंसर का क्वेश्चन हमको तैयार करना है. जैसे कि नाउ frame questions for the above answers. So first of all, let us read this one. The color of the ant is black. The color of the ant is black. मैंने already बोला है कि जब कोई भी चीज के बारे में बोला गया होगा क्या इस्तेमाल करेंगे, what, when, and where, and all these things are there. Okay, so remember all those things. Okay, then the color of the ant is black. It lives on land. लैंड एक प्लेस है. तो कौन सा क्वेश्चन हम इस्तेमाल करने वाले हैं, कौन सा वर्ड लेने वाले हैं? इट हैज 2 legs. It has 2 legs. मतलब ये नंबर से how many we are using. Then it crawls on the ground. It crawls on the ground. Here we can use how. How it works. Then it eats sugar. Sugar. Wow. Then so let us see all those things. I know you are remembering all that. I have told you in the previous question already. So, first question, how we can frame? What is the color of the ant? What is the color of the ant? The question, the color of the ant is black. Then next, where does it live? Where does the ant live? The ant live on the ground. Okay, then how many antenna? How many antenna does it have? Okay, how many antenna does it have? Okay, how many antennas does it have? Here we show that it has 2 long antenna. So with the question we can frame how many antennas does it have. Then next, how does it move on the ground? How does it move on the ground? कैसे वो जमीन में चलता है? It crawls on the ground. Then last question, how we can frame? It is sugar. What does it eat? What does it eat? It eats sugar. Okay. Then let us see the next question. Okay. Fill in the blanks with prepositions such as to, at, of, on, in, into, with, one has been done for you. Okay, ये सारे prepositions को लेकर हमको क्या करना है? ये blank को fill in करना है. ये जो खाली है मतलब sentence में जो बीच में gap है, वही gap का हमको क्या करना है? fill in करना है. Okay, appropriate preposition we have to take and fill in the blanks. Okay, so let us see. This tree was the home of a flock of wild geese. Okay. Then he noticed a creeper where at the foot of the tree. The next is that it would be a pity to destroy it now. The next question. As they flew into the tree, they were trapped. The boy ran with the dog. The boy ran with the dog. The frogs jumped into the well. Then the girl was thrilled to see her new bicycle. Thrilled is happy, okay, excited. The birds were caught in the net. Okay, the children walked over the bridge. Okay, so this is what we have filled in the blanks with the prepositions. Okay, you have to write them properly. Okay, then we will see the next question. Let us see what is the next question here. Okay, so here we stop. and the following question we shall see in the next video. Okay.